Guys, it's Saachi Goyal and welcome back. After so many traveling videos, I decided to make a video on room decor. Nowadays, string lights are a really cool option to decor your home. So I decided to make a video to give various options on how you can use these string lights to decor your room or home. Do subscribe to my channel and hit like button if you like this video, and do comment below if you're using these ideas. Come on yaar, subscribe karo. So the first material required for this DIY is self-adhesive hooks on string lights of your choice, some rope clips which you can get from any stationery shop which cost me ₹40, and your favorite photographs to start with. I am decorating this corner of my room. Now stick these adhesive hooks in a pattern as you like. I have stick them at the top so that my string lights would free fall. Now I am hanging these string lights to this corner in a random manner. Firstly, plug them in so that you will not lose the plug in between while decorating the lights. Now take the rope clips and photographs and hang them like this. Try to cover as much as the strings to get the better results. Now switch off the room lights to create a perfect darkness, and then the magic is just a button away. Now you have turned the boring corner of your room into a lively and beautiful photophall. If you don't want to miss the track of my videos, then don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Bye bye.